May I now invite Professor Vandana Mishra Chaturvedi, Vice Chancellor D. Patil, Dean to be University, to speak on this topic.
Thank you so much. I hope I'm audible. I would like to drift, the point from here. I believe charity begins at home or service begins at home. Having said that, it is very important today that at home the mindset of the child is changed. Earlier, it was always the father of the house who went out and did the service and did the job, and it was always the mother who was at home. Today, it is very important that that mindset is changed. My daughter should know it's my mother who's the Vice Chancellor of the university and my father is working. So the pride in the mother and the father both working together and being homemakers is very important to inculcate in the student. Having said that, India has always been known as a service industry, Having said that, when a child is born, we educate the child, and the first thing that comes to the mind is, where have you got the job? Job kahan laga hai? Oh wow, he's got the job internationally, he's got placed in a multinational company. The moment somebody says he's doing his own business, he's planning to do something of his own, he's doing to, there's some expression which is not very so pleasing, because you really do not know the success and the failure of a startup or a business venture that a child and the family would want to go ahead. Here it is very important that today India changes its concept from a service industry where we educate ourselves, we educate our children into IITs, IIMs, XLRIs, into these great multidisciplinary universities, and then we are looking forward for them to actually go and work out in industries but not contribute to India's economy in some manufacturing way. So I think that it is very important that the culture in the house is changed. Me as a homemaker, me as a businesswoman, me as an entrepreneur, me as a working professional, if I inculcate those values in my child, I think I'm bringing about the change in the Indian mindset. I'm bringing about a change in the growth of the country, and I think that is very, very much important. Having said that, if that concept is done, automatically the Skill India concept, the NEP concept, the technology coming in, innovation coming in, everything automatically comes in. Very important is we have to make sure that there is no gender bias. We have to make sure equal opportunities given to all. We do not want any special preferences. I'm just saying change the mindset. Let there be an entrepreneur in the house. Let your mother be the entrepreneur and the father being a helping hand to that. I think that will change the concept. Another point to this is, as you rightly said, as Sanjay sir said, that we are giving opportunities to ladies to, work after hours and do this. I think, don't divide the hours for us. Why can I not work till 12 o'clock at night? Why cannot I come at 1 o'clock at night, yeah? Why is it that the mother is supposed to come 6, take care of the dinner, take care of the morning, and the father has all the liberty? No, we need to change the mindset. If the mindset is changed, if the mother goes out for attending conferences which are organized by FWA, I think the whole house is going to take the pride. I think all the women sitting out here, you look so beautiful, amazing, you are such a pride to India, and you are the ones who are contributing to the economic growth. The mother is the first teacher. And I think it has to start from there. Once that is done, the skills that a woman has, she's a team leader, she's a team player, she's an organizer, she's the one who actually knows how to run the business, because she runs the man's income. She knows how to save the money. So the entrepreneur, the business leader is actually inside the house. We just need to give her an opportunity and the business leader will be done. So automatically, India will grow, the economy will grow, the growth will happen, entrepreneurial skills will come, business will come, money will come. all that we are talking today about Prime Minister's Kushal Yojana, NEP, electives added. Electives is what basically, you know what? Electives is your mother knows how to cook, okay? So add an elective there to tell how to start up a business of, a cooking business, a restaurant business, a standalone restaurant business, a pottery business, a sculptury business. This is all that a woman does at home, but you have never recognized it, and you have never thought that that could be a business. That's what is made in India. That's what you're making for the world. You're making it in India and you're selling it off. But who's making it? That's what I would want to say, and I hope I've kind of conveyed my thoughts to it. And thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. It's wonderful being a part of this panel. Thank you.